agad. Uy, basta ako agad siya. Picturean mo pala, sir.
Kaya nga, hindi mo naman kasi sinabi.
Kayo okay, akit ka ulit. Oh, yan.
Video na yan.
Oh, yan o. Video na yan. Oh. Mauna ka dun.
Tapos tayo na lang.
Ikaw na yan. Kita ka na yan.
Ay, si Sir Ruel, oh.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake.
Hindi pala. Kasi hindi na-record. Ay, nako, sir.
Bibidyohan nga kita. Asa ka masila. Dito tayo kaya, Ton. Oo, pwede. Ayun pala si Chira ito. Puntahan natin. Pwede kaso hindi ngayon. Kukunin ko yung ano dun. Psst! Tubog kayo, bigod. Malalim pala. Lang po. Ma'am, kukunin ko yung cover. Lubog ka. Pwede to. Cover. Langoy ka. Sa ilalim. Kukunin ko nga yung cover. Langoy ka. Wait lang, kukunin ko. Kukunin ko ha. Totoo. Sir, thank you sir ha. Gala tayo. Galain natin yung paligid. Isa nga si Keton. Uway ka, uway.
Lucky Beach sa Maribeles. Yeah, maganda pala ano.
$250 isang oras oh.
Ay, bye.
Oo, bike.
Kala ko
250 na yan, isang oras. Mukhang maganda to ah. Nay, kumusta naman kayo dyan mga nay?
Okay lang
Okay lang, sir.
Masarap na yung luto nila.
Oo nga, sarap.
Napakahirap iluto.
Diba talaga pag may mga nanay na kasama eh, no? May magpe-prepare talaga eh.
Woke up late, the sun still shines.
Kala ko ba lalangoy? Ha? Kala ko ba lalangoy kayo? Punta doon. Paglakad sila eh. Tara! Tara!
Tagal natin yung mga hindi ka naman tatalon ng paulit-ulit ka. Wag! Buksan mo kaya lahat! Wag!
Kiss lang po. Okay lang po. Kiss lang po.
Alam si Jolo.
A full cup and some peace of mind. All blue jeans, no fancy plans. A good day sitting in my hands. Happy is as happy does. It ain't about what you got, it's about how you love. Laughter, the ones that you trust. It ain't no secret. Happy is as happy does. Some folks chase a pot of gold, but joy is right here if you break the mold. A hand, a heart, a Sunday breeze. It ain't much to live with these. Happy is as happy does. It's a
Okay. Ah, chair! Talon tayo. Dito ako. Hindi kasi masyado ito mali.
I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you. The clouds disappeared and the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune. For no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful you.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
Sir, kaya pa?
Kaya mo! Tapos na yung pagsimundi niya. Ay, kaya mo!
Pwede ka naman mag-ano.
Galing, ang galing. Ito yung mga
Ginaya siya.
pinili ang madaling daan. Oh, kayang-kaya.
Hindi dapat may ano, ito may nakalagay.
Yan ah.
Ito ulam mo.
Nakakasama din ako.
Adobo mo ano po.
Diba?
Sabi mo, ginugulo.
Kasi nawala ako sa eksena.
Lugi na eh.
Nawala ako sa eksena.
Baka mamaya, ipasundo mo pa kami kay tatay mo.
Gamit yung sa ano, service
Ito ang mga luto ng mga inahin. Sir,
Kailangan ito sa gloves. Ay, sorry.
ayan na sir! Init!
Tingnan mo naman ako lumangoy na. Tignan mo naman. Huwag ka muna tumalak.
Tatalong ka?
Papractice ako, be.
Sige, game.
Hindi ako marunong. Okay, one.
Oo. Diba?
Tumalong ka na rin.
Ayan pa. Oo.
Ako naman, moment ko naman.
Ikaw na. Ano? After 10 minutes. Yung cameraman natin, oh. Yung cameraman natin, videoan natin. Sir, akala ko sir lalangoy kayo.
Hindi ako marunong.
Mag-hi ka, mag-hi.
minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you, the clouds disappeared and the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune. For no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? I'll swing along happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? Now I'll swing along happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful, marvelous, lovable, beautiful, wonderful you.
Against the light.
Dito sa ano ka?
Against the araw-araw.
Yan.